Samsung is gearing up to redefine the foldable smartphone market with the expected launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 in the second half of the year. While there might not be drastic changes compared to last year's models, new leaks and regulatory filings have provided intriguing insights into what's to come. Lightbulb latest leaks and key highlights. According to a recent listing on China's 3C regulatory website, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, model number SM F9660, and Galaxy Z Flip 7, SM F7660 are confirmed to support 25W wired charging 9V/2.77A. While this remains unchanged from their predecessors, it's worth noting that even mid-range devices like the Galaxy A56 5G offer faster 45W charging speeds. Disappointingly, both devices are reported to ship without chargers, continuing the trend from previous launches. Mobile phone Galaxy Z Fold 7, sleeker design and bigger displays. Leaked renders suggest the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might feature a thinner design, a 6.5-inch cover display, and an 8.2-inch inner folding panel, a perfect canvas for productivity and entertainment. It's also rumored to retain a 4,400 mAh battery, paired with an impressive 200MP main camera, elevating its appeal for photography enthusiasts. Camera Galaxy Z Flip 7, compact yet mighty on the flip side. Literally, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is rumored to adopt a 4-inch Motorola-style cover screen alongside a 6.8-inch folding display. Camera enthusiasts can expect a 50MP main sensor paired with a 12MP secondary lens, making it a compact powerhouse. High voltage. What's missing? While we love the sleek form factor and larger displays, it's hard to ignore the lack of faster charging capabilities. The 25W limit may feel outdated in a market where competitors are pushing the envelope with 65W or even 120W charging. Party popper. Why foldable fans should be excited. Even with modest hardware upgrades, Samsung's foldable phones continue to lead the charge in innovation. A rumored thinner design and improved displays could further cement Samsung's position as a pioneer in the foldable segment. Glowing star. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are shaping up to be exciting additions to Samsung's foldable lineup, even if the updates are more evolutionary than revolutionary. While we await an official announcement, one thing's for sure: foldable tech enthusiasts have plenty to look forward to.